Imagine hiring a brilliant new coworker. They can read at lightning speed and have an incredible memory, but on their very first day, they know absolutely nothing about your company or what you actually do. Claude is your digital thinking partner. While standard search engines look up facts, Claude acts as an assistant sitting right next to you, built to help you solve complex problems. To make this partnership work, we divide the labor. You bring the strategy. You know the history of your business, the nuances of your goals, and ultimately, you provide the final judgment on whether a project is finished. Claude provides the raw processing power. It can read 500 pages of text in seconds, summarize long meetings, and format mountains of data instantly. If you treat Claude like a human colleague, you set yourself up for success. Its performance depends entirely on how clearly you explain what you need. Because Claude acts like a coworker, you provide complete instructions instead of tossing it a single keyword. We use a simple 3-step method. First, set the stage. Assign Claude a role and provide background context. Second, define the task. Tell Claude the exact action you need, like researching competitors. Finally, specify the rules. State the exact style, tone, and format constraints. This image shows an example prompt combining all 3 steps. The user sets the stage by identifying as a marketing lead, defines the task by asking for competitor research, and specifies the rules by requesting a professional report with citations. When you use this 3-step approach, you remove the guesswork. Claude stops trying to predict what you want and executes your exact vision with precision. Once you know how to ask, you can start handing off the heavy lifting, the tedious manual work that usually eats up hours of your day. For example, Claude has a built-in research capability. It conducts multiple systematic searches that build on each other, reading through different sources and comparing facts to pull everything into a single report. This image shows how Claude presents its findings. You can see the completed report on the left and the gathered sources list on the right. Claude provides easy-to-check citations, allowing you to verify the facts yourself. For substantial tasks, like generating reports or writing code, Claude displays the results in a dedicated window called an artifact. This keeps your conversation history clean and your work easy to find. This course screenshot shows how artifacts work. An artifact is a standalone, interactive window that opens alongside your conversation. When Claude builds a chart or a document, it appears in this dedicated space where you can read, edit, or download the final product. Features like research and artifacts provide a fully equipped digital workspace where you can finish your most demanding projects. With Claude handling the data gathering and initial drafts, your role shifts. You go from doing the manual labor yourself to acting as the director. This image shows a crucial part of being a director, providing feedback. Claude's first response is a starting point. If you need more detail or a different tone, you provide feedback or ask follow-up questions to refine the work. Claude is your collaborator, but it cannot replace your judgment. The best results happen when Claude's processing speed is guided by your unique industry expertise and careful review. To get started, pick one recurring task this week. Ask Claude to draft a tricky email or summarize your next set of meeting notes and see what happens. You don't need a degree in computer science to use AI effectively. You just need to know how to communicate, delegate, and work alongside the most capable deskmate you'll ever have.
Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and the bell notification icon.